friends, welcome to my channel Simple and Easy Recipes. Today I'm going to show you the recipe of fish finger. For this I have taken 500 gram Bhetki Fillet, cut it into finger strips. You can use Basa Fillet as well. I'm going to marinate this fish finger fillet with half lemon and salt for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes I am adding 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 6 to 7 chili paste. You can add chili according to your taste. Then I have added 3 spoons of onion paste and some coriander leaf paste. Mix it very well. Now I am going to beat 1 egg and I have taken 1 plate full of breadcrumbs. You can find another video on how to make breadcrumbs in my channel. I will put that link on my description box. Now take the marinated finger one by one and dip it in the egg and roll it over the breadcrumbs like this. Roll it properly and like this do the rest of the fingers one by one. After you are done with this, keep it in freezer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out from the freezer and deep fry the fish fingers in batches. Fry the fingers till it becomes crispy brown. Now once it is done, take it out in your serving plate. Enjoy your fish finger with tea or coffee. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like it, comment below and subscribe to my channel.